Hi, this is Greg Jordan from the Next Level Local Business, and this is the final video in the 10-part mini-series or mini-course on building your online reputation. And I wanted to end this series with a quick idea for marketing your online reputation for free. And it's an idea that is pretty simple. It's both effective and flexible. It can be done with any number of reviews, but it's best when you have quite a few reviews to include. We set this up for one of our clients, and it seems to be a really effective way of marketing to both employees and to prospective customers, clients, or patients. And the idea is simple. It's creating a review gallery and putting that in a PDF format that you can then share with anyone that you can think of where it might be beneficial to give them a bigger picture of your online reputation. All this kind of comes at a time when you've gone through everything else, you've built your reputation, you've got more positive reviews, you've responded to both positive and negative reviews, you're really doing the work to build your reputation. And this is just something that would be kind of an end cap to that. So the idea is this. Here's an example. What we did is put together a gallery for them of their positive reviews and interspersed it with commentary. And we put that together and we used positive reviews that they had gained over the past 6 months to a year. You can see this format here, and as you go through it, it's very simple in idea. In this case, it was a thank you to the employees for everything that they've done, and over here in these pages, we interspersed some of the positive reviews that they got back from their clients, and it's a very effective way of showing that, and it's different from a testimonial page. And the testimonial page simply lists your reviews. Here, you put it in the context of the operations that are going on, both as a thank you to the employees for doing all that they do to gather those reviews and earn those reviews. And secondly, it's something that can be shown to prospective clients or posted on your website or on your social media to say, hey, we're really in this thing to satisfy and delight our patients in this case, and here's the evidence that that's true. So it's a great marketing tool for employees, getting them more engaged with the review process and underscoring the ideas of getting a really positive online reputation. Also, it stands as a marketing tool in and of itself for those who'd like to find out more about who you are, what you do, and what other people say about what you're doing. And it's more important what other people say about what you're doing in your business than what you say. And with that, we'll end this video. It's a very short one. We've now covered in this tutorial 10 videos on building your online reputation. We've covered topics like strategies that any business can put in place, how to respond to positive and negative reviews, why it's important to work on and build your reputation, and what you can do to build your online reputation. So that's what this has been all about. I hope you've gained something from the course. If so, like our videos and also subscribe to our channel, because we will be recording more videos that have to do with online presence that you may gain from as well. So we hope you enjoyed it, and best of luck in your journey to build your online reputation. Visit our website or contact us if we can help you in any way with that mission.